Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. Today we're looking at a headlight assembly from a vintage Hodaka Ace100. This is the complete assembly. The bucket, the ring, the bulb. The bulb has been tested and is 100% functional. Both high and low beam work just fine. The paint on the bucket will need to be refinished. There's no dents or damage in the casing though, so that's a plus. The ring does have pitting on it. Overall, a very nice used headlight assembly for a Hodaka Ace100. Can be assembled and used just as it is or refurbished for that like new Hodaka quality look. You can buy this headlight right now for $49.99 plus shipping. That's right, $49.99 plus shipping. Buys this today anywhere in the United States. Also remember, outside of the United States, we ship using eBay international shipping anywhere in the world. Be sure to click on the link below to see pictures and details of this awesome vintage headlight or to buy it now. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.